Good morning, everybody. I'm Colonel A.S. Rawat from Trishul Defence Academy, Dehradun. Today, we are going to speak about technical entry, that is, as an engineer in Indian Armed Forces. कई बार ये क्वेश्चन हमसे पूछा जाता है कि एनडीए और कंबाइंड डिफेंस सर्विसेज एग्ज़ाम के अलावा जो कि यूपीएससी के द्वारा लिए गए हैं, उसके अलावा भी कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी है जिसमें इंजीनियर्स के तौर पे आर्म फोर्सेस में कमीशन लिया जा सके। इसी के विषय में हम आज बातचीत करेंगे। आई विल टेक वन बाय वन ईच सर्विसेज वाइज। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कवर द इंडियन आर्मी। इंडियन आर्मी, in addition to entry through NDA and combined defense services, provide opportunity to young enthusiasts to take commission as an engineer officers in technical arms. The type of entries are, firstly, 10+2 entry exam, that is a permanent commission. We have short service commissions for men and women in technical arms, and also technical graduate course entries for the permanent commission. Now, before that, these exams are taken by the Indian Army, and in these the notification or instructions are issued through prominent dailies in daily newspaper in Hindi and English. So you should be in the lookout for these notification or the ad in these newspapers and even in the employment news. They provide instructions how to apply and what website to be looked into. The website is joinindianarmy.nic.in. The notification in detail will be available in this website, and in which the dates of exam or dates of interviews, how many vacancies are there, what are the qualifications, and how one can apply for these detailed instructions are given. So I'll first take 10+2 entry exam. To begin with, the notification will appear in the newspaper, or ad will appear in the newspaper in August and January, twice in a year, in leading newspapers and employment news. The age is 16.5 to 19.5. The qualification for this is that you should have cleared 10+2 exam and should have appeared for JEE mains in last 1 year, because the rank which you obtain in JEE mains, that is required to be entered in the application when you fill it. You should have minimum 60% in physics, chemistry, maths in your 10+2 examination. Now, for the registration, you go into that website which I had mentioned earlier. You register yourself and they will guide you how the application is to be filled, what all documentations are required, what all certificates and other documents are required, and you register yourself in it. The merit list is then prepared at the appropriate level, and you will be notified through this website the date of interview and your center. You only have to appear in that SSB interview, or in case you clear the SSB interview, then you will go through the medical examination. The qualified candidate both in SSB and medical examination, a merit list is prepared, and you will be notified through the website about your qualification in that exam and when to join the academy. Now those successful candidates, they go for 1 year training in the Officers Training Academy in Chennai. After that, they do the 4 years degree course, in which a prestigious university provide them the degree at the end of this graduation. This is the technical entry at the 10+2 level, which is undergraduate level. Now I'll come to the technical graduate course. The qualification for this technical graduate course, you should be in the either in the final year of the engineering degree course, or should have cleared it from a recognized university. The age should be between 20 to 27 years, and the mode of filling the application is the same as like I have brought out earlier for the 10+2 undergraduate entry. Once you are called for the SSB, the same way if you clear the SSB, you will go through the medical examination. After that, you will be notified through the website about your qualification. Once you qualify, you will be given the date of commencement of your course, and you will join the Indian Military Academy on those days. Now, regarding your type of commission, your seniority, and other emoluments, and your pay and other things, these details are given in the notification, which you should go through carefully and make yourself aware. After the successful completion of training in IMA, you will be commissioned as on the rank of lieutenant in the Indian Armed Forces. Now, similarly, if you do not want to take the permanent commission, there is a opportunity for the short service commission, both for men and women in the Armed Forces. The qualification is same. However, the age required is 20 to 27 years, which is similar to technical graduate course. There is certain vacancies which are for the widows of the Indian Army personnel who have died in harness. The notification will appear in the June and March of the twice in a year, which you should be in the lookout. Notification details are available on the website. You should go through it carefully, which provides all information about type of commission, dates, your emoluments, qualification, age, how to fill the application on the website, and that is not difficult, and you should be able to file in your application on the website. Once that is done, you're called for the SSB, and rest of the things are similar like for the technical graduate course. And after joining the academy, which is the OTA, you will be given short service commission in the Armed Forces for the 10 years and extendable to the another 4 years. There is one more commission for the engineering graduates, which is called the University Entry Scheme. This is particularly for those students who are in the pre-final year of the engineering degree. They should be on the lookout for this notification or ad in the newspaper in the month of May, June, and go to, and then search the website and fill the application. Once that is done, the Indian Army sends a team to those university where you are studying. They take a preliminary interview of all the candidates who are desirous of availing of this opportunity. After that, you will be notified whether you are qualified for the going through the SSB interview, and those candidates who are nominated, they go through the SSB interview and rest of the medical examinations. The candidates then selected for training in the Indian Military Academy they are notified, and they are given short service commission in the lieutenant rank. The date how this commission will be given is given in the notification. Generally, it is on the date of you are joining the final year of the engineering degree course. These are the entries which are available in the Indian Armed Forces. Now, as far as Air Force is concerned, technical entries other than the NDA and CTS is through the AFCAT examination, which is Air Force Common Admission Test. These tests are held each year, twice a year, and you should be on the lookout for the notification in the June and December, and go through the Air Force website, which is afcat.cds.in or career in Indian Air Force.cdac.in. You go through that website, and that gives everything in detail about entry as a technical entry in the Air Force. Now, AFCAT examination is an online examination in which there are the 4 sections in which you are required to qualify. For the technical entries, there is an additional test which is called the EKT or Engineering Knowledge Test, which you have to appear. The age for this AFCAT for the technical entry is 20 to 26 years. Now, most important about all these entries are you should go through the notification carefully, which gives everything in detail. You should not miss out on anything. Now, as far as Indian Navy is concerned, there is a similar entry like in the Army, 10+2 undergraduate entry, in which the conditions are same. Only age is from 17 to 19 and a half years. Qualifications 10+2 cleared with 70% marks in PCM and 50% in English, either in 10th or in the 12th. In addition to that, you should have appeared in the JEE Mains in the last 1 year, because that rank is required to be filled in your applications. Now, similar procedure is followed, in which you will be called for the SSB and then the medical examinations. And once you are qualified, then you go through the basic training and then the engineering degree course. In addition, Navy has one more entry that is called through the Common Entrance Examination, which is called the INET, Indian Navy Entrance Test. Now, this is general service in which the electrical engineers, aeronautical engineers, and various other engineering disciplines vacancies are available. Once you go through the notification, which appear generally in the month of June and in the month of November, December, you will come to know about type of tests which are held, what are the qualifications, and like other entries, details are given in that. Age is again 19 and a half to 26 years, and you should have scored 60% marks in your engineering degree course or in the BTech. Now, just to remind you, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force, they are holding quite a sophisticated heavy equipment, machinery, which you will be required to maintain and keep the ships and aircraft airworthy. Therefore, the test is quite hard. If you work hard, then there will be no difficulty for you to get into either in the Army, Air Force or Navy as a technical entry as an engineer officer. Thank you. Jai Hind.
जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।